Good morning, class. Today we will do class 7th, chapter number 2nd, force, pressure, and motion. Mainly in this chapter we will deal with motion. What is motion? Right? Motion when a body changes its position with respect to time. Remember one thing: a body, motion means movement, and the definition is when a body changes its position with respect to time. Suppose suppose there are two places, A and B. A person who is here right now at A place, he went to place B, right? With the time he has changed his position, then this is known as motion here, right? There are two words, rest and motion here. If a person changes its position with respect to time is known as motion, and if a person does not change its position with respect to time is known as rest. So right, rest is also known as stationary, right? The other name of rest is known as stationary. We can see here rest and motion both are relative. An object may be in motion with respect to another but may be stationary with third. For example, you are riding in a train, you pass by a person standing along the track. The person standing along the track will see you being in motion. The person sitting next to you on the train will be stationary. It means suppose you are sitting on a train, right? There are berth. One is sitting here, other is sitting here. Here there is a window here, right? There are two persons, one A, one B here, right? If A is seeing outside through the window, he see that everything which is outside window, they are in moving position. So we can say A is in motion with respect to outside the train, the thing which are outside the train. And A is in rest with respect to B who is sitting in front of E. So we can say कि ए क्या है, ए आपका मोशन में है किसे, जो ट्रेन के बाहर जो भी है आपका ट्रीज, देयर आर प्लेटफॉर्म, मैन, पोल, देन वी कैन से ए इज इन मोशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एनीथिंग विच इज आउटसाइड ट्रेन. और ए इज इन रेस्ट, ए रेस्ट में किसके रिस्पेक्ट में, विद रिस्पेक्ट टू पर्सन सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ इट इन नेक्स्ट बर्थ. दिस इज नोन एज रेस्ट एंड मोशन आर रिलेटिव. वी कैन टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ रेस्ट एंड मोशन. First of all, we can see anything. The moving on road, aeroplane, is children running in a park are the example of motion. Chair lying in a room, car parked in a garage, clock hanging wall. These are the example of rest. Now there are different type of motion. The type of motion are number one, linear motion and translatory motion. These two are similar, right? Linear means in a straight line. The motion which is in a straight line or a curved line is known as linear or translatory motion. Linear motion is divided into two types: rectilinear motion and curvilinear. Rectilinear means which is in straight line. Rectilinear means straight line. Say a ball rolling on a floor, a car moving on a straight road, a stone drop from a roof. These are all rectilinear motion. Second motion is a curvilinear. The word curve means try to make a curve. So we can say an object move in a curved line is known as curvilinear motion, right? We can say a car moving on a hilly road is your curvilinear motion. A car moving on a curved road is your curvilinear motion. Next is your circular motion. Circular motion means we make a circle. There are two type of circular motion, one revolving and other is rotating. Revolving means, right, when an object changes position, when an object change its position while moving in a circular path. It means, right, suppose an object is here, it changes position while moving in a circular path. Right now it is here, it goes here, so it changes position. This is known as revolving. Example, we can say it is sun and here earth. So earth revolve around sun. So this is your revolving motion. The earth is changing its position. So this is revolving motion. a stone tied in a string, right? कि you are having a string, you tied a stone और इसको you rotate it, revolve it, right? This is known as revolving motion. Another motion is your rotational motion. Rotational motion means when an object move around a fixed point without changing its position, like a fan. You are having a fan, right? It is at fixed point, it is fixed at the wall, and it keep the blade of fan, they are rotating. So this is known as rotational motion. Another we can take spring top, जो लट्टू होता है आपको एक ही जगह घूमता रहता है. This is known as rotational motion. Another example we can say this is spinning wheel, चरखा we can say. And another example we can say here the motion of ये merry go round. आपको झूले होते हैं जो merry go round, right? They are fixed at the middle point and they keep on rotating. Next is your oscillatory. Oscillatory motion means to and fro motion, right? Any motion which is in to and fro, right? It goes back, it come back, right? This is to and fro motion is known as oscillatory motion. Example we can see, best example आपका pendulum है. Pendulum it is fixed here, this is here, it goes come back, this is known as rotational oscillatory motion. That is your this is to and fro motion. We can also say the swing झूला, जो आपका बच्चों का झूला होता है, right? It is fixed at this point, it goes back, come ahead, goes back, come ahead. This is to and fro motion. Now motion, vibratory motion, the motion which is due to vibration, it, right? Vibration is known as vibratory motion. यानी कि you having a, you stretch a rubber band, you pluck it, इसको हिलाओ तो you will, right, there is a will be a motion. Another example we can take a string of guitar की strings हैं, you pluck it, they will, right, there will be some motion here, they will vibrate, then this is vibratory motion. Or the expansion and relaxation of chest muscle, right? This is when we breathe. जब हम सांस लेते हैं, right, तो आपका क्या होता है, expand होता है chest and it relax, then it is your vibratory motion. Next, repetitive motion means which is repeated again and again, right? This is example of tabla. In tabla, right, we always play tabla, right, in repetitive motion. Our finger keep on repeating. Playing tabla, playing harmonium are the repetitive motion. Movement of your lips, right, flicking of eyelids. Periodic motion and non-periodic motion. Periodic motion are and non-periodic motion. Periodic are those which repeat after a regular interval of times, right? Are repeat after a regular interval of times. Here the definition. The motion will repeat themselves after regular interval of time. Example we can say here. This is example here. This is Earth. This is Moon. The Moon revolve around the Earth. Right. So it is always, right. The Moon always revolve around. We can say also Sun and Earth. So we know the Sun, the Earth revolve around the Sun, and after every 365 days, right, the year changes. Another example, the Earth rotates on its axis. After every 24 hours, day changes. Now next important topic, simple pendulum, right? What is pendulum? We can see here this is your, right, pendulum part. Pendulum, this is a rigid support, right, and this is a stand, and here they have taken what key, they have taken a string here, and a string they have tied a ball, right? In pendulum we say this is bob. It could be a metal, it could be anything, and right, when you push it, it goes to here, right, then come back and again go here. So there are three positions, A, O and D. So O position is known as mean position, and the extreme, these are the side was, these are known as extreme. कितने दूर तक जा सकते हैं? These are known as extreme position. So these are the main thing. The middle, the ball is known as bob. We say this is bob, right? This is mean position. This is these A and B are extreme position, and there are some term related to oscillation, right? First term is your there are some term related. First term आपका क्या है? First of all, we can see a simple pendulum. Simple pendulum to here, right? We can see here second pendulum. A simple pendulum having time period of 2 seconds is known as simple pendulum. Now the terms related are oscillation. Oscillation means, suppose this is a pendulum, we can say this is a pendulum, right? It goes here, then it come back here. Then this is O position, A and B, right? It start from O, goes to A, come back to, right, goes to A, then goes back to B and again back to A. So this is known as oscillation. यानी कि from O से कहाँ गया, O से it goes to A से it goes to B and from B again back to O. So this is known as one oscillation. So here the definition is, one complete oscillation is the displacement from mean position. Mean position से displace हो रहा है to one extreme position to another extreme position on the other side and back its mean position. And next is your amplitude. What do you mean by amplitude? Amplitude is the maximum displacement of a bob moved from mean position, right? So we have told you about the mean position. Mean position क्या होता है आपका, ये mean position है, and from the mean position maximum displacement कहाँ तक जा सकता है, ये जो extreme position है, ये आपका amplitude हो गया. Here also is on this side of maximum position. This is known as amplitude. Now the next is time period. Time period means the time taken to complete one oscillation is known as time period. Frequency. Next is your frequency. Frequency is the number of oscillation completed in 1 second. Here the word is 1 second. Number of oscillation completed in 1 second. And the definition, the formula for frequency is equal to 1 upon time period. We can say time period is equal to 1 upon frequency. Next, length of pendulum. Length of pendulum क्या होता है? Length of pendulum is the distance from a point of suspension of the pendulum to the center of bob. यानी कि देखो ये आपका इस तरह ये जो लेंथ है यहाँ से इट इज सपोर्ट हियर, यहाँ से टंगा हुआ है, ये जो यहाँ जहाँ तक आपकी बॉब है, दिस इज लेंथ ऑफ पेंडुलम और द यूनिट इज लेंथ इज मेजर इन मीटर. Now here the time period, we should remember the factor only. The time period on which the factor on which time period of simple pendulum depend. The factor on which the time period of simple pendulum depend. Number first factor is your nature of material bob. It does not depend on, right, the material could be anything, whether an iron ball, a plastic or any material ball, it could be here. Next is your period of oscillation. The time period of oscillation is independent of amplitude. Next is your length. Here the time period of oscillation is directly proportional to square root of effective length. Here it is the time period it is directly proportional, ये proportional sign है, to square root of length. जितनी length है, length का square root निकालेंगे उसका, right? Then mass of bob. Again the time period does not depend on mass, whether it is a iron ball, whether it is a plastic ball or any steel ball, anything does not depend on mass. Another topic is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. When an object cover first this is uniform motion. When an object cover equal distance in equal interval of times along a straight road is known as uniform motion. Right, example we can say here, let's take, right, there are two A and B, right, there is position here C and D. The distance between A से C is your 10 km, from C to D is again 10 km and D should be again 10 km, and the time taken is 2 hours. You can see equal distance from A to C, the distance is 10 km, time taken 2 hours. From C to D, the distance is 10 km, the time taken 2 hours. From D to B, the time taken 10 km and the distance taken 10 km and time is 2 hours. So we can say equal distance cover in equal interval of times. Another is non-uniform motion. When an object does not cover equal distance in equal interval of time along a straight road, this is known as non-uniform motion. We can say, right, again, right, suppose A, C, D or B. Again the distance is 10, यहाँ 12, यहाँ 13, and the time taken is 5 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. या वी कैन ऑल्सो से इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम कर देते हैं, टाइम शुड भी इक्वल कर देते हैं. 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours. तो फर्स्ट 2 hours द डिस्टेंस टेकन इज 10 किलोमीटर. सेकेंड 2 hours द डिस्टेंस टेकन इज 12 किलोमीटर, राइट. एंड द थर्ड 2 hours द डिस्टेंस टेकन इज 13. तो देयर इज डिफरेंस इन डिस्टेंस, राइट. तो दिस इज नोन एज नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. तो here see the definition. When an object does not cover equal distance in equal interval of time in a straight line, along a straight line, is called non-uniform motion. That distance covered by a girl in equal interval of time are unequal. Even we can say the time is unequal. अगर distance same कर देते हैं और time 1 hour 20 minutes 60 minutes, right, get 90 minutes we can say. So if distance is same and time is different, then this is also known as non-uniform motion. Next is your distance and displacement. What is distance? Distance is your the length of actual path traveled by a moving body. मतलब राइट, ये दिस इज ए पोजिशन, दिस इज बी पोजिशन, इनके बीच का जो लेंथ है, जो एक्चुअल लेंथ है, दिस इज नोन एज डिस्टेंस. Next topic is your displacement, right. Displacement we can see here. Let's take here. This is A, this is B. We can see the here the distance is 10 kilometer. The length we can say 10 kilometer. तो there are two questions. What is distance? Distance क्या हो गया? A और B के बीच का distance हो गया 10 हो गया. What is displacement? Displacement means it is the shortest distance between initial and final point है. ये इनिशियल पॉइंट, ये फाइनल पॉइंट, तो इनके बीच का जो शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस होगा वो आपका क्या होगा? डिस्प्लेसमेंट. सपोज अ मैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ए. मैन ने कहाँ से शुरू किया? ए से शुरू किया. ही ट्रेवल्ड ही अलोंग द रोड एंड गोज टू बी प्लेस. नाउ द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल इज 10 किलोमीटर एंड द डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज हिज इनिशियल पॉइंट वॉज ए, फाइनल पॉइंट इज बी. तो नाउ द डिस्टेंस कितना हो गया? नाउ द ये कितना कवर हो गया था? द लेंथ इज शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस, ये आपका 10 हो गया. तो वी कैन से डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज ऑल्सो 10. बट इफ अ मैन इज एट ए, ही गोज टू बी, अगेन कम बैक टू ए. नाउ द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल विल बी 10 गोइंग 10 कमिंग, इट इज योर 20. एंड नाउ द डिस्प्लेसमेंट इनिशियल इज योर ए, और वापस कहाँ आ गया? एट ए पी आ गया. तो राइट, इनिशियल और फाइनल पॉइंट दोनों एक ही बन गए. इट मीन्स डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या हो गया? इस केस में 0 हो गया. तो दिस इज नोन एज डिस्प्लेसमेंट. तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज योर शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन इनिशियल एंड फाइनल पोजीशन. कि आप इनिशियल में कहाँ थे? इनिशियल मतलब स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, इनिशियल में कहाँ थे और फाइनल में आप कहाँ थे. राइट, वी कैन सी देखो वन एग्जांपल हियर. ए से बी देन सी. तो राइट, यू कैन सी दिस इज अ डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल. बट डिस्प्लेसमेंट इनिशियल ये रहा और फाइनल ये रहा. इनके बीच में सबसे छोटा रास्ता कौन सा है? ये बीच का रास्ता है. तो ये आपका डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो गया. द यूनिट ऑफ बोथ डिस्टेंस एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज सेम. ऐसा यूनिट क्या है? मीटर है, और सीजीएस यूनिट क्या है? सेंटीमीटर है. एंड दिस टू आर द डिस्टेंस एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट difference. It is scalar quantity, is vector quantity. It depend on path covered by body. It depend on initial and final position. It distance cannot be 0. Remember, displacement can be 0. Distance is always positive and displacement can be positive, negative or 0. Right? There are two words scalar. There are two words. One is scalar, other is scalar. Other is vector quantity. Scalar quantity are those quantity which is having magnitude and does not have any direction. Example 10 kg. ये आपका मैग्नीट्यूड हो गया, यानी कि नंबर प्लस यूनिट, इसको हम मैग्नीट्यूड बोलते हैं. 10 kg 10 सेकेंड. 10 सेकेंड आपका क्या मैग्नीट्यूड हो गया, राइट. 10 सेकेंड. तो इट डिनोट ओनली टाइम. इसमें आपको यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी डायरेक्शन, राइट। अनदर है 10 kg डाउनवर्ड, या वी कैन से 10 kg एंड एरो इज डाउनवर्ड। तो दिस इज योर द एरो इज सेइंग, यानी कि द डायरेक्शन इज डाउनवर्ड हो गया, तो ये आपका वेक्टर क्वांटिटी हो गया। वेक्टर क्वांटिटी आर दोस क्वांटिटी विच आर हैविंग मैग्नीट्यूड एज वेल एज डायरेक्शन ऑल्सो। Now average speed. What is speed? Speed, you know, distance upon time. Average means the total distance traveled divided by total time is known as average speed. Here you can see this is your main, right? The total distance covered upon total time is known as average speed. Now the next topic is your velocity. What is velocity? Velocity is, we know, देखो speed हमने पढ़ा है, speed क्या होता है? Distance upon time. Here the velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Displacement upon time. So this is the formula for velocity. Velocity और speed में अंतर क्या है? Velocity is your vector quantity. Velocity क्या है? आपका vector quantity है, और speed क्या है? आपका scalar quantity है. Both is having same unit. Suppose example we can say 10 meter per second or 10 meter per second east. The first one you can see only the speed is saying 10 meter per second, so it means this is your speed. Now here it is saying 10 meter per second east. East means ये आपका magnitude plus direction, तो ये आपका velocity हो गया. Here the definition, this is a formula, and the unit is same as meter per second, right? Meter per second. This here the difference between these two are speed and velocity. What is speed? Is a scalar quantity. Velocity क्या आपका vector quantity है. Speed cannot be zero. It may be zero. Speed is either positive, zero, and velocity can be zero or negative also. Now next topic is your variable velocity. Variable मतलब जो change होती रहती है. The velocity is said to be uniform if it cover, देखो we can say uniform speed or uniform velocity if cover equal displacement in equal interval of time is called आपका uniform velocity. Another is non-uniform velocity. Uniform velocity again here, a body cover equal displacement in equal interval of time is called uniform velocity. And non-uniform को हम क्या कहते हैं? Variable भी कहते हैं. It is known as variable when a body cover unequal displacement in equal interval of time is called variable velocity. Average velocity means total displacement upon total time, same like a speed, and we do not displacement with the word s. हम displacement को s से करते हैं और distance को d से करते हैं. Now acceleration क्या होता है? देखिए, it is a common phenomenon that a moving body do not have uniform velocity. For example, a car moving on a road move in a uniform velocity due to traffic. Correct? Cannot. इसका मतलब ये जो कार मूविंग ऑन अ रोड, एक कार रोड पे मूव कर रही है, तो ये एक यूनिफॉर्म मतलब एक ही सेम स्पीड पे या सेम वेलोसिटी पे नहीं जाते. क्यों? ट्रैफिक होता रहता है आपका. ट्रैफिक, राइट? इट गोज, कार गई, ट्रैफिक हो गया, इट स्टॉप, देन द रोड इज क्लियर, इट अगेन मूव, देन स्टॉप. तो दिस इज योर आपका क्या कहते हैं इससे? कार मूविंग ऑन अ रोड इज नॉट मूविंग इन यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी ड्यू टू ट्रैफिक. द वेलोसिटी ऑफ कार मे चेंज इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड और एक्सेलरेशन और डायरेक्शन. हियर वी कैन से कार इज हैविंग एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन. कार किस में है? एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन में. कभी स्पीड बढ़ रही है, कभी ज़्यादा हो रही है, देन इट इज नोन एज एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन. तो दिस इज डेफिनेशन. द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वेलोसिटी विद टाइम इज कॉल्ड एक्सेलरेशन. द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वेलोसिटी विद टाइम इज कॉल्ड एक्सेलरेशन. एक्सेलरेशन का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? दिस इज योर फॉर्मूला. द चेंज इन वेलोसिटी अपॉन टाइम टेकन इज नोन एज एक्सेलरेशन. दिस इज फॉर्मूला. ए इज योर एक्सेलरेशन, v इज योर इनिशियल वेलोसिटी, सो v इज योर फाइनल, v क्या आपका फाइनल वेलोसिटी है और u क्या आपका इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है, राइट? यूनिट ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, हम इसको ऐसे लिखते हैं मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर। अनदर यूनिट इज योर सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर। One formula is V is equal to U plus AT. There are three formulas. The equation of motion of a body moving with a uniform accelerator are given below. V is equal to U plus AT. S means displacement is equal to UT plus half AT square, and the third is V square plus 2AS. If what is known as retardation? Retardation means negative acceleration. When acceleration is decreasing, acceleration जब कम होता है, acceleration कम होता है is known as retardation. तब यहाँ पर जहाँ पर ये प्लस का साइन आ रहा है, इसकी जगह we will use negative sign. Another topic, mass. मास कहता है mass of an object is a measure amount of matter in it. Suppose कोई थिंग ये रहा, तो इसके अंदर जो चीज़ है वो क्या कहते हैं, इसके अंदर जो भी चीज़ है उसका जो मेजर है उसको हम बोलते हैं मास बोलते हैं, राइट। नेक्स्ट, रिमेंबर वन थिंग, मास रिमेन कांस्टेंट एवरीवेयर, मास कभी चेंज नहीं होता, राइट। करेक्ट, वी कैन गो एनीवेयर, राइट, मास डज नॉट चेंज वेदर यू आर इन अर्थ और यू आर इन मून, मास डज नॉट चेंज। यूनिट ऑफ मास, मास इज मेजर इन kg, SI unit is kg, right? Other we are having gram, milligram, these are other things. Now mass is measured with the help of beam balance. ये तराजू देखो, इसमें we can measure mass. One law of conservation of mass. The mass of an object can neither be created nor destroyed. It can be only transferred from one to another. Next is your weight. Weight is not the same. Weight and mass both are different. The weight of a body is the force of earth attract. Weight क्या होता है, W क्या होता है, W weight क्या होता है, it is a force, कौन अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है, अर्थ कर रहा है, राइट। अर्थ अट्रैक्ट क्यों अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है, बिकॉज ऑफ फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी। किसके कारण करता है, फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी के कारण करता है, राइट। वेट को हम क्या बोलते हैं, वेट क्या होता है, एक फोर्स होता है विच अर्थ अट्रैक्ट टूवर्ड इट्स सेंटर, राइट, ड्यू टू फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी। And we can say the weight of a body varies from place to place. Weight क्या होता है, हमेशा चेंज होता है, राइट। कि अगर your weight on earth is different, your weight on moon is different. Reason is the gravity of moon is less than gravity of earth, right? And the what is the formula for weight? Weight का formula होता जाएगा, weight क्या है, force, यानी कि हम W कहते हैं, W is equal to mass into gravity, कि मास पे जो ग्रेविटी लग रहा है उसको हम बोलते हैं वेट। तो वी कैन देखो, सपोज कोई मास है, आप मेजर कर रहे हो, उसको अगर अर्थ नीचे खींच रहा है तो इसको बोलते हैं वेट बोलते हैं। बट द यूनिट ऑफ वेट, द यूनिट ऑफ वेट इज, फोर्स की यूनिट क्या होती है, न्यूटन होती है, तो वेट की यूनिट क्या है, न्यूटन हो गया आपकी, राइट। ग्रेविटेशनल यूनिट ऑफ वेट, इन टर्म ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन द यूनिट इज 1 GF, ये इसको हम बोलते हैं आपका ग्रेविटी यूनिट फोर्स, यानी ग्राम फोर्स कहते हैं। वी कैन से ग्राम फोर्स। 1 ग्राम फोर्स कैन बी डिफाइंड एज फोर्स एक्टिंग ऑन अ मास हेल्ड ऑन द सरफेस, और इट इज द फोर्स विद विच द अर्थ पुल मास टुवर्ड इटसेल्फ। अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट relation between gravitational unit and other unit. 1 gram force is equal to 980 dynes, or 1 kilogram force is equal to 9.8 Newton. Very important, right? How we will measure weight? Weight is measured by using spring balance, right? This you have seen in shop. Spring balance से हम क्या measure करते हैं, weight measure करते हैं। The change of value of weight is due to acceleration due to, मैंने कहा कि weight vary from place to place because of change in gravity value. These two are the difference between weight and mass. Is a quantity inside a body. Weight क्या होता है, it is a force होता है। mass क्या है, it is a constant throughout the universe. Weight varies from place to place. mass क्या होता है, it is measured by beam balance. weight किससे measure करते हैं, spring balance. SI unit of mass is kg and SI unit of weight is Newton. This is the chapter, it is finished. Thanks a lot class.